Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi 10C, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this device. First of all, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in iOS Launcher. Then install this free app from this developer and open it. Now you need to wait for the pop-ups to show up, and when they do, choose while using the app and allow in all of them. So while using the app, allow. Then click on Home button, choose iOS Launcher, tap on Remember My Choice, select iOS Launcher again and click on Got it. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my smartphone, but you can always just switch between your layouts by going into Devices Settings, choosing Apps section, and clicking on Manage Apps, and then on those three dots at the top right corner. Now select Default Apps, click on Launcher and tap on System 1 in order to go back, or iOS 1 if you wish to select the Apple one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!